Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a reading for the sign of Sagittarius. This is your monthly March reading. So Sagittarius, let's get started and let's look at your overall energy. Your overall energy for the month of March. Your overall energy for March is the Page of Cups. Your past energy is the Seven of Wands. Your current March energy is the Nine of Cups. Your future energy is the Two of Cups. Your challenge is the Five of Wands. Your advice is the Four of Cups. Your hidden factor is the Eight of Wands. And your outcome is this card, which we are going to look at towards the end of the reading. So Sagittarius, what we have here today for you is the Page of Cups as your overall energy. This is an energy of new love, new beginnings. This is an energy of emotional connections, hobby, something creative maybe. So let's see what this is about. What is the Page of Cups about? The Five of Cups and the Devil. So there is something that looks very new, like it looks like a new beginning, but there is also a energy of sadness attached to this, because you feel that you are not going to get this, whatever this new beginning is, it's not going to go further. You already have a sense of loss. You feel like this is not going to work out. So it's possible that you are in a one sided relationship where you have a lot of feelings for somebody, but maybe this person is not reciprocating, or maybe there is some other complications here, because of which this relationship is not going forward the way you want it to. However, the universe is saying that it's still not a missed opportunity. You can still salvage this. But there is a devil here. So there definitely is something very toxic here. Either this person is already committed, married to somebody else, or there is some toxic element here because of which this relationship is blocked. Okay. So let's see what this is about. You have the Seven of Wands in the past. So Seven of Wands in the past is about blockages again. It's about being like there is a block here. You feel challenged. You feel you're not, you're being criticized or not supported by somebody. So let's see what is the Seven of Wands about. But you're fighting through this. Okay, whatever this was, you were very strong. You tried to fight through these challenges, and I see you walking away from something or someone. Could be that you walked away from a job, maybe you walked away from a relationship. But yeah, there is somebody here who was very overpowering. Their personality, the way they were, I feel this person was very rigid, or maybe very, um, there was some kind of a lack of emotions here, and you felt very challenged by this person. Maybe this person is somebody with authority, so you could not really fight this person for too long. You stood up for yourself, but after a point you kind of let go. You walked away from this. So in the current energy, I see the Nine of Cups is here. So Nine of Cups is about a wish fulfillment. It's about surrendering. It's about letting go. A wish coming true. You're not really stressing about anything in March. You're just kind of letting go and going with the flow of things. So why is the Nine of Cups here for you? Knight of Cups. So there could be a new beginning in love. Somebody could be coming towards you and taking a leap of faith. Okay, you could be meeting this person while you're traveling. So I see that there is a new beginning here, and it looks very fun. It looks very romantic. And in the future, I see this relationship growing deeper. Okay, because you have the Two of Cups here. So definitely there is more to the story. I see whatever's starting now, it's going forward, and it's getting into much more meaningful relationship in the future. So yeah, the Hierophant is here. This could also be leading to marriage, maybe. Yeah, look at that. There is a relationship that I see here. Okay, but then why do you have the Five of Cups? Maybe you're still thinking about the past person here. You're feeling very regretful that you walked away from something in the past, but you have nothing to worry about, Sagittarius, because what you're going towards is so much more better and beautiful, and it looks like very stable in the future for you. Your challenge for the month of March is again certain people opposing you, competition, some third party interference, and some conflict. So, why is the Five of Wands here as challenge? Temperance. So, yeah, you're trying to balance everything. You're trying hard so that this doesn't affect you much, but you are at the same time feeling like you have no control over the situation. You are just going with the flow of things, but you are at an end of a situation, like you feel you're going towards something new, and this feels like a challenge because you are feeling a bit helpless also. Four of Cups is your advice. The universe is saying there is something new coming towards you. You're not paying attention in March. And again, it could be this romantic relationship that you may be not really focused on at this time. But the universe is saying you need to give it a thought, or you need to look at that opportunity because it may be something that you're looking for, something that may interest you. Why is the Four of Cups here? Yeah, this is something you've manifested and it's coming towards you unexpectedly. You are kind of stuck right now because you're still thinking about the past. The universe is asking you to move on and move forward and come out of this mental stagnation. Because of that, you're not able to see or look at the opportunities around you. Eight of Wands is your hidden factor. So there is a lot of things brewing, a lot of things happening for you, and you're feeling very helpless because you're being pushed in a certain direction. You have no choice but to just go forward. But it's like a sense of it's a feeling of having no control over things, and you're just overwhelmed with everything that's coming, everything that's happening. Everything is happening quickly. There's a lot of travel, communication. Yeah, you're trying to control and sabotage some things, but the universe is asking you to just let go, okay, and to surrender. Yeah, you're at that crossroads. You're being too doubtful, like you are not sure, and because you're not sure, you're just stagnant or you're stuck. But the universe wants you to move forward, and it's making, the more you kind of hold back, the more difficult it will be for you to let go, okay, like to kind of enjoy the process. Yeah, you're closing out some big cycles here. The world is as your outcome. So by the end of March, I feel you're closing out some chapters in your life and you're moving towards something new. The Chariot, and it's happening very quickly. You may feel very imbalanced because of all the uh, you know different energies that you're going through, but you're on the right path, Sagittarius. I see Cancer here, I see Aries, I see Aquarius, I see Temperance, Sagittarius, and Taurus as well. Okay, so let's get into your oracle. I see Capricorn energy as well. So what is your oracle message saying? Your oracle message says a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So, yeah, there's something that is brewing and it's kind of coming to its peak moment in March. Okay, so this is what I have for you, Sagittarius. I hope this helps and resonates with you. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.